Port Elizabeth TVET College is an institution for tomorrow with a rich, illustrious past. It was founded in January 2002 as a result of a merger between 3 technical colleges in Port Elizabeth, namely Dawa Campus, Ikaya Campus, Russell Road Campus, as well as 2 sites of delivery, the Kemsley Park site and the Victoria site. The Dawa campus focuses on business studies. Russell Road campus focuses on business studies and utility studies. Ikaya campus focuses on engineering studies. The Kemsley Park site focuses on occupational programs, while the Victoria site is where our daily and travel agent are situated. We aspire to impart quality skills and values which promote innovations in line with global trends. Our mission is to create an inclusive and conducive environment responsive to the job market needs and entrepreneurial skills. Our values are:
at TVET College, we established partnerships with various external stakeholders like CETAs and NSF. We have signed MOUs with CETA, CETA, and AIDC. The focus is on placement of students for work, integrated learning, and staff development. TVET College also participates in entrepreneurship programs supported by Allen Bray Makers and various institutions.
Welcome to Port Elizabeth TVET College. Your future starts now.
Good morning, Molweni Goeiemôre. I am Mrs. Fig, the acting principal at Port Elizabeth College. I'm also the deputy principal academic. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all new students, returning students, and all staff to Port Elizabeth College. This year we received over 17,000 applications, and unfortunately we are only in a position to register and accept 7,550 students. My office is at the Rrc site, our administrative building situated in Richmond Hill. As a student at Port Elizabeth College, you are expected to be responsible. Being responsible means that you will not participate in gang violence, gender-based violence. You will not participate in alcoholism, substance abuse, and bullying. Also, as a student, you are expected to be in class from Monday to Friday. We have an 80% attendance policy. You are expected to submit your assignments on time. You are expected to be in class when you have a test to complete. I really want to take this opportunity to welcome you. Please feel welcomed, and also may you be successful in all your endeavors this year. The staff at Port Elizabeth College is motivated, and they are more than willing to assist you in all your issues and studies so that you are successful. Enjoy your academic year this year, and may God bless you. Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Fig. I am the acting principal at Port Elizabeth TVET College. I'm also the deputy principal academic responsible for teaching and learning.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Dorian Barges. I'm the deputy principal corporate services.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Rrc Nso, deputy principal finance.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Puma Tikinga, deputy principal registration services.
Welcome to Port Elizabeth TVET College.
Your future starts now.
You are currently watching the Rrc Nso program. RRC stands for Russell Road Campus. NSO stands for New Student Orientation. I am Sinobu Yosali. I'm currently doing marketing NCV level 2. Okay, now let's cross over to the Rrc Nso studios.
Welcome, This is the Rrc Nso program, which Hi guys, my name is so currently doing marketing management in Berlin.
Welcome guys. So we all have something in common. We were also new students just like you. So we'll be sharing our experiences about our first year in Russell Road College tutoring. So tell me, what information about Russell Road College do you think the new students need to know about?
I think the students must be able to know about their safety and security, the exam office, and also the passer office, also their resources. Do you have anything to share?
I think it's also very crucial to familiarize yourself with the campus manager, make use of the presence of SRCs, make sure that you always check the notice board, and should there be an emergency, the health center is always there.
Also to add on that, I think the students must be able to know their lectures and also their HODs.
Wow, wonderful.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, now we will be seeing who's who in the Russell Road campus.
Greetings to you all. I'm David Velapi, campus manager of Russell Road. My office is situated in room 253. It is a privilege and honor for me to have to welcome you to this grand campus, Russell Road. By choosing Russell Road, you have made the best choice at Port Elizabeth TVET College. I wish to welcome you all, and may you have the best stay at PE College, Russell Road campus. Thank you.
Good morning, all the new students at our Russell Road campus. I am Mrs. Rrc Nso. I'm the acting HOD for the NCV program. My office is room T3, and I am so glad that you choose our campus to further your studies. You are now part of a family here because we all are a big family, and you are so welcome to come and visit me at my office. If you have any problems or questions, I will be most welcome to assist you as far as possible. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Port Elizabeth TVET College. This is Mrs. Daimani, the acting HOD for Report 191. My office number is T3. We hope you are going to have a fruitful and a blessed year. Thank you.
Welcome everyone. I am Ms. Bardeen. I am the finance senior. My office is room 350. And I am here to give you academic support and make your academic journey memorable.
Hello everyone, my name is Siambonga Adonis Ludidi. I'm the Senior Lecturer for Information Technology and Computer Science Program. I'm in room 349. Welcome to Port Elizabeth College, Russell Road. Thank you for choosing us.
Good morning, goeiemorgen, molweni. I am Desiree Fortune, the Acting Senior of Life Skills and Computer Literacy. Thank you for choosing Port Elizabeth College as your preferred educational institution. Welcome to PE College, the Russell Road campus. Thank you, God bless and goodbye.
Good morning, molweni dumelang. My name is Nokolo Fesi. I'm a Senior Lecturer in the Marketing Department. My room number is room T39. In T Block. Welcome to Port Elizabeth TVET College. Thank you for choosing Russell Road campus. Thank you.
Good day. My name is Mrs. Bueta. I'm the senior for hospitality, NCV as well as Report 191. If you're looking for me, you can find me in the new kitchen where we are at the moment, and the office is also at this kitchen. Welcome. Enjoy the year.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lungelo Manqina. I'm the Senior Lecturer in the Tourism Department. My room number is T19 at the Russell Road campus. Welcome to PE TVET College. Thank you. Bye.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Yvette van Vieses. I'm the Senior of our part-time division. My office is at Victoria campus, and a big welcome to all of you to Russell Road campus. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Russell Road campus.
We are the ICTS department.
Excellence is our motto.
We are glad you chose us.
Good morning.
Goeiemorgen.
Dumela.
Already.
We are the Marketing Department. Thank you for choosing RRC.
We are
with the hospitality team.
Assalamu alaikum.
Dumelang.
Moweni. Da.
Good morning.
Sawubona. Abshe.
Sanibonani.
Goeiemorgen.
Welcome to the funky and unique tourism department.
Welcome to Port Elizabeth TVET College. We are the English department. We look forward to having you in our classes this year, where we will make English exciting and fun. We will build meaningful relationships, and we will build on our communication skills daily. Your future starts now.
Goedemorgen.
Sanibonani.
Buenos días. We are the Mathematics and Maths Lit department.
Welcome to Russell Road campus.
See you in class. Ciao.
Welcome to the Russell Road campus. We are
Life Skills and Computer Literacy, the best department to be in. Do you agree, colleagues?
There are 4 important offices you need to know when you're a student in Russell Road campus. It is the inquiry office, it's the cashier office, it's the exam office, and it's the bookshop.
Hello everyone, my name is Akona Vamana. I work at Examination Office as an examination officer. What we're mainly responsible for is the smooth running of all external examination. We assist students with special needs to apply for concession from the Department of Higher Education and Training, student that needs extra time or that needs scribers during the sitting of the examination. We also assist the student with all examination related inquiries. After the sitting of the exams, what we offer for the student is the printing of the results, the distribution of the certificates after they finish each level, and also we assist them with the examination forms, student that needs to write supplementary, that needs to do a rewrite for native students, and that needs to do a remark. We also assist the student, the native student, after they finish their in-service training with the diploma application process. That is the services that we offer at Examination Office. I would like to welcome everyone and hoping that everyone will have a blessed year. Thank you.
Now we have room 154, which is the bursary office.
Greetings to everyone. My name is Nomzamo Isaac. I'm a bursary officer at Rrc Road campus. My office is located at room 154. My office is here to assist the students who want to apply for NSFAS. My office is a middleman of NSFAS. There are 2 options that the student can do to apply for NSFAS. There is online application, which is the student can apply outside. There is also online, which is the student can visit bursary office. As a middleman of NSFAS, the student can track application using NSFAS portal, or they can visit the bursary office. We can do that for them. As a middleman, we do queries for a student. If you're having any problem with NSFAS, you visit bursary office, then we can send anything to NSFAS if you're having a problem. Students, welcome to PE College. We are here for you as a bursary office. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Yadiswa and this is
Zizipo, and we are the bursary office team.
We are located in room 154.
And we're always looking forward to assisting you guys.
Welcome to PE College, Russell Road.
Now we're at room 247B, and it's right opposite the campus mall, and this is our SRC office.
Molweni sanibonani Dumelang Afsheni. Hello everybody. My name is Asipe Makrele, Sports Officer at Russell Road Campus. Thank you.
I'm Nomalangona. I'm the Secretary of the SRC.
Welcome to PE College.
Bye.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tabisa Nkrotbo, your student liaison officer. My office is based at room 247A. I want to welcome you to Russell Road Campus. See you around.
Now we're at room 150, which is the resource center.
Hello everybody, my name is Gerald Tumpeso. I work for Port Elizabeth TVET College as Education and Training Development Practitioner. I'm based at Kemsley Parkside, where we offer occupational programs such as internships, learnerships and skills programs. We also offer entrepreneurship program. Now let me start talking to you about internships. We have highly qualified placement officers who work tirelessly trying to make sure that all of our students, upon completion of their studies, they get placement. They are placed at different companies, organizations and departments where they can get enough exposure and gain the necessary experience in line with what they would have studied for, so that they may be ready for the market and increase their employability. We also have learnerships. We offer 10 learnerships, 5 are implemented here on our site, Kemsley Park site. The other 5 are implemented at this, which is Russell Road Campus. Here at Kemsley Park site, we offer early childhood development, level 4 and level 5. We offer ICD, we offer new venture creations, we offer end user computing, and these are all funded by NSF. We also have a program which is funded by Wholesale and Retail, CETA, which is Wholesale Operations and Supervisory Program, level 2 up to level 4. Now let's talk about those learnerships that are implemented at Russell Road Campus. There we have craft, which is divided into 3: jewelry, ceramics, and sewing. We also have apprenticeship at Russell Campus, which is hairdressing and professional cookery. As you would know, not every student wants to be employed. You have those who see themselves as employees, who want entrepreneurs. We do have an entrepreneurship program which is designed specifically for such people, starting from ideation. How do you develop an idea that you can make a profit of? How do you market rather your business, and how do you access the market? How do you get in contact with sources of funding? We work in cooperation with external stakeholders that we have partnerships with, and they enhance the development and the implementation of the entrepreneurship program. If you are already part of our college, you have recently joined us, we welcome you. We are looking forward to working with you and shaping you to become what you want to become. But if you have not yet joined us, time is ticking. We're waiting for you. Start applying now so that we can shape your future. Remember, excellence begins with you.
Greetings everyone, my name is Pamela Njona and welcome to PE TVET College. I'm with the Student Placement Department stationed at Kemsley Park site under the Partnership and Languages Department. In this office we offer the following services: placement of N6 students who have completed N6 and require internship program in order to qualify for their national N diploma. The second service we offer is the graduate program. This program is for those PE college students who have completed their internship and received their national N diplomas. We put them for a 12-month graduate program in order for them to gain more workplace experience. We place students with host employers at both private and public workplaces. For more information, you can contact us at 041-549-6002. I thank you.
Now let's cross over to the Rrc Nso studios.
Hey, thank you for tuning in with us. Hopefully the information you learned helped you in a way.
Education is elevation.
And remember, excellence begins with you!
Now we are at room 250, which is the hall.